Mike, Nununika, Yovan. Hello, my name is Autumn. I'm the Cultural Resource Manager for the Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah. The Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah is a tribe that is made up of 5 constituent bands: the Kasharam Band, the Kanosh Band, Indian Peaks Band, Cedar Band, and the Shivwits Band of Paiutes. So what it means to me to be a Nuanglu woman or a Paiute woman is it means to always hold myself with respect and dignity, but also to be a kind individual and with an open heart, to educate individuals about who we are so that they can be more conscious of our culture and our impacts that we make within the Cedar City landscape. It also means that being a Native woman is to be in tune with my ancestral landscape and to view it and to reserve it with the utmost respect that I have been taught since I was born. Members of the community can help the Paiute tribe by first educating themselves about who we are and our footprint and what it means about us being a part of the Cedar City community. Understanding that we are not a separate community of our own, but we are also integrated deeply within the town and the history and the population here within the Cedar City boundaries. It is also a means to understand the adversities that our tribal population has faced so that we can excel to become who we are today. When visitors are visiting this as a destination area, it's always important to remember to visit respectfully, especially if you are coming for recreation purposes to visit the public lands surrounding Cedar City. This means visiting and leaving no trace. So what you pack in, pack out, and understanding that we hold this place as home and we are opening the door for everybody else to come and get to enjoy what we have been here for lifelong opportunities for. People can learn more about the Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah by following our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram at Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah. Thanks for listening and learning about the Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah. Ayuk, as we would say in our language, thank you. And there is no word for goodbye, but Pinikiek Tuwichgus. See you again soon, or see you tomorrow.